Have you ever wondered what dinosaurs sounded like? That's a question that has intrigued scientists and dinosaur enthusiasts alike for decades. The answer, however, isn't as simple as you might think. It's a mystery that requires piecing together ancient puzzle pieces left behind millions of years ago. Paleontologists, the brave explorers of prehistoric times, have been at the forefront of this quest for knowledge. Their primary tools? None other than fossilized vocal organs and resonance chambers within dinosaur skulls. Yes, you heard that right. These fossilized remnants, preserved for millions of years, serve as silent whispers from the past, waiting to be deciphered. The complexity and precision involved in these techniques are nothing short of spectacular. By meticulously studying the structure of fossilized vocal organs, paleontologists can gain insights into the possible range and type of sounds dinosaurs might have produced. After all, vocal organs are where the magic of sound begins, whether it's the melodious song of a bird or the thunderous roar of a lion. But that's just one half of the equation. The other half lies in the resonance chambers within the dinosaur skulls. Now, these chambers are like the echo rooms of the dinosaur world. The size and shape of these cavities can tell us a lot about the kind of sounds a dinosaur could have amplified. Through advanced technology and detailed analysis, scientists create models based on these findings. They simulate the sounds that dinosaurs might have made, transforming our understanding of these magnificent beasts from silent giants of the past to roaring, living creatures. So the next time you imagine a dinosaur, don't just picture its looks. Think about the sounds it might have made. Imagine the earth-shaking roar of a Tyrannosaurus rex echoing through an ancient forest, or the high-pitched calls of a flock of pterodactyls soaring across a prehistoric sky. Each sound, a testament to the fascinating world that once was and the tireless efforts of those who strive to bring it to life. When we find a fossil, one of the first questions we ask is, how old is it? This seemingly simple question, however, requires a sophisticated scientific process to answer. Enter the fascinating world of radiometric dating. Radiometric dating, in a nutshell, is like the stopwatch of geology. It provides us with a reliable way to measure the age of rocks, and consequently, the fossils within them. This technique hinges on a remarkable natural phenomenon, the decay of radioactive isotopes. Isotopes are versions of an element that have differing numbers of neutrons in their nucleus, and some isotopes are unstable or radioactive. These radioactive isotopes, over time, decay at a predictable rate, transforming into stable isotopes. This transformation, or decay, can be likened to a ticking clock. By measuring the ratio of parent radioactive isotopes to daughter stable isotopes in a sample, we can calculate the time elapsed since the rock formed. This process is akin to reading an ancient geological clock. And it's this clock that gives us the age of the rocks and, by extension, the fossils they contain. But why is it so important to know the age of these fossils? Well, understanding the timeline of life on our planet is like piecing together a gigantic jigsaw puzzle. Each fossil represents a piece of the puzzle, and knowing its age helps us place it in the right spot. This allows us to see the bigger picture of Earth's history and the evolution of life over billions of years. Of course, radiometric dating isn't a simple task. It requires careful sampling, rigorous laboratory work, and an understanding of geologic processes. But the rewards are immense. It enables us to journey back in time and uncover the stories of extinct creatures, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest dinosaurs. So, with a bit of science and a lot of patience, we can unravel the age of these ancient remains. Ever wonder how paleontologists fund their fossil hunting expeditions? It's a question that often pops up, and the answer is as diverse as the fossils they unearth. In the world of paleontology, funding is the backbone of discovery. It's what enables scientists to travel to remote locations, excavate ancient remains, and unlock mysteries millions of years old. But securing these funds is no easy task. It requires a blend of resourcefulness, persistence, and a dash of creativity. Many paleontologists rely on grants from universities or government agencies. These institutions recognize the value of paleontological research in shedding light on our planet's history. But these grants are competitive and often limited. Hence, scientists need to present compelling projects that promise significant contributions to the field. But what happens when traditional funding avenues are not enough? Well, that's when the creativity kicks in. Some paleontologists turn to alternative sources like crowdfunding campaigns. By appealing directly to the public, they not only raise funds, but also engage a wider audience in the excitement of discovery. It's a win-win situation. Partnerships with museums and private collectors also play a crucial role. These collaborations often involve the exchange of resources and expertise, benefiting all parties involved. And let's not forget about the fossil sales. While this is a contentious issue within the scientific community, it can provide a significant boost, especially for independent researchers. One of the most inspiring aspects of this funding journey is the role of educational outreach programs. By sharing their passion and knowledge with schools, community groups, and the wider public, paleontologists not only secure financial support, but also inspire future generations of fossil hunters. After all, today's curious kid could be tomorrow's groundbreaking paleontologist. So remember, behind every fossil discovery is not just a paleontologist, but a community of supporters. It's a collective effort that brings to life the creatures of the past and deepens our understanding of the world we inhabit today. Because in the end, paleontology isn't just about digging up bones. It's about digging deep into our collective curiosity and passion for discovery. As we wrap up our journey into the world of paleontology, let's take a moment to revisit the fascinating discoveries we've made. We've listened to the echoes of dinosaur roars, reconstructed from fossil remnants and scientific modeling. We've delved into the intricate science of dating these ancient remains, a critical process that allows us to piece together Earth's prehistoric timeline. And we've explored the unique ways in which paleontologists fuel their passion, turning to various funding methods to keep their expeditions alive and kicking. Each of these aspects, be it the sounds of dinosaurs, the dating of fossils, or the funding of research, is a crucial piece of the larger puzzle. They not only enhance our understanding of the world that existed millions of years ago, but also inspire future generations to carry the torch of discovery. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep the spirit of discovery alive.